Good morning. This is my attempt at a birthday vlog. What am I having for my birthday breakfast today, you ask? Well, I'm old, so of course I'm having Activia fiber yogurt. And I'm still sick. In an attempt to make myself feel better, I did put on a little bit of makeup this morning, and I actually have on jeans. I have jeans on. Yes, I have decorations. My wonderful, wonderful husband put up some decorations for me. It says one in a melon, and it's like all watermelon themed decorations. This is a pile of papers that my daughter has been making me for my birthday this morning. And I have some gifts that I'll be opening up later. I've never done a birthday vlog on my channel before, but I haven't posted in 2 weeks because I've been sick. So I wanted to give you guys something. I wanted to help make myself feel better today. And what better way to do that than what I love and enjoy and have a passion for in life, and that is filming. So if you like vlogs and you like me, this video is for you. Making me some presents?
Yes.
For my birthday? With your markers? Thank you. Thank you so much, Joy, for buying me a coffee on Coffee. That just really made my morning to wake up to a coffee. Thank you, Joy. You've got me hooked on the Kusa tea though, so I might have to have some of that this morning. It is such a gorgeous morning outside already, so I'm gonna head out on the porch and just for my birthday, I'm gonna sit and look at the sun and the trees. I know, I'm pretty boring. Okay, I'm outside. It is about 63 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun is shining through the Spanish moss. It's gorgeous outside. So let me tell you a little bit about what's been going on. Haven't posted a video in 2 weeks. I've had this upper respiratory virus for 12 days now, but I got this upper respiratory, started showing symptoms of it with the congestion and body aches and everything the day after I had a breast biopsy. This past month, and I haven't really been sharing this too much around anywhere, I was dealing with all of March and part of April with the potential of having breast cancer. I had my regular mammogram, and then they needed me to come back for an ABIS ultrasound, and then that led me to a bilateral ultrasound, which then showed a weird shadow. That led me to a core needle breast biopsy. Not gonna go into detail, but not pleasant. Still dealing with bruising, and it's been over a week. So on top of the upper respiratory virus, I was trying to heal from a cord needle breast biopsy, which if you've had one of those, you know. If you know, you know. But thankfully, good news, I do not have breast cancer. It was just a dense tissue. When there's a potential of cancer, then you gotta explore and make sure that's not what it is. So I think being sick and my body trying to heal from the biopsy, I think those two things together was just too much for me. But I'm gonna sit here and finish enjoying my gorgeous view of my backyard. Bye, you guys. Have a good day at school. I just got the family off to school this morning. You saw my daughter has like extreme energy today. She's happy for me. What do I want to do on my birthday? I really want to crawl back in bed, but that's not fun. I'm not a real YouTuber, right? If I don't have the obligatory pouring your coffee /tea into a mug, right? I had to do that on my birthday. That makes me official. I'm an official YouTuber. Okay, so I'm a really bad vlogger and I've been forgetting to vlog. I took a nap this afternoon and I've played with my daughter, and now I'm eating some watermelon and we're having some dinner and getting ready to have some cake and open presents. So we'll take you along for that. And my husband is laughing at me.
Let's say happy birthday to Mom!
Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Ethan. Thank you, Finley. Thank you, Dad.
Make a wish!
Yay! My germs are now all over the cake.
We never did.
Did you give me a candle?
There's more candles.
Mmm, it smells so good.
It's got a slip on it. It's got like a, you gotta pull that part out of
A
it.
slip?
Like, what do you
Pull it
call
out.
it? Like
A sleeve?
a sleeve, yeah.
You just push one the box out.
You would think that's how you do it, but
Oh.
Yeah, well, turn it on its end. There you go. Yeah.
I finally got an edge to grasp.
So it's like,
When I saw how it was wrapped, I did not go all the way. So
Yeah,
hopefully
it's
the
wrapped
right one.
very nicely, isn't
Hopefully it's the
it?
right one. I have not.
Look at
unwrapped it.
this. Ooh.
take it.
A 2-year warranty.
Ooh.
It comes with a dust cover.
Dust cover.
This is fancy.
Good.
Fancy.
Extra
Fancy.
just like
Nothing. Don't touch
Oh,
it.
okay.
Dude, at least it's solid. It's heavy. Man.
And it's wrapped in tissue paper.
That's why I didn't go all the way. I was like, there's no point in me. I'll never be able to get it back in the. Yeah.
That's amazing. Ooh. Ooh.